Hello, today I am going to show you how to sync Govee lights together. So let's start the main video. First, open Govee Home app. Make sure you are logged in. Now scroll down and click on plus icon on the group tab. Now select type. If you choose same model group control, you can control same model lights. If you choose basic group control, you can control different devices such as switches and lights. Now I will choose same model group control. For that, I will click on plus icon. Now enter your group name and click on confirm. Now click on plus icon. Then choose your lights. For that, click on checkbox. Now click on tick icon. Now lights are connected successfully. Also you can control lights color, brightness modes, etc. Overall, syncing Govee lights allows you to transform your space into a more immersive and visually appealing environment. When all lights work together in perfect harmony, the colors, brightness, and effects feel more professional and well organized. And that's it. Thanks for watching.